I don't split hairs over current affairs, capiche? I preach till a room full of graduates, teachers leave with alopecia. Not rhetoric, no a question, more a statement of intention. Stop a click haunted expression is causing tension. I'm absorbed in the many alternate questions and upward perspective concerning our consciousness, pending reflection on a common direction. Especially knowledge of self-subversion of the God invention and general notes of tension. I occupy the thoughtful spectrum, stringing theories I prod them with a cosmic plectrum. Speed of light, I'm certainly not the guy you want to test them off and highlighting off dress at night, obsessed with what is next. Think outside the box fresh. Slap a light beam out of the ether while semi-conscious rocking an IKEA two-seater to sleep in the autumn. Falling deeper, lost with my ear to the speaker. Pause while I hear what they speak, and then it's on, I got an idea, capisce? So up north, any rapper can get killed. Battle cool if I lose and you're winning on a platform that I built. And down south, what's a battle to me? These cunts try to punt a first mixtape to me. I gave out most of my classics for free. How crass can these fannies be? Emailing the skinny and the BAMs won't even answer me. Time to suit up in skinny jeans, I think it seems the hip-hop scene's been gentrified like the shitty inner city schemes. So don't play with me, crony, I'm dangerous, homie. You navel gazers will get your faces stapled onto your label mates' cojones. Your stable's phony and you know a stale as a 2-day plate. A grocery stop at games, mate, his name is Loki, okie dokie. He'll make you pseudo-famous if he smokes you like a rollie, especially sober on a cold day. I'm telling you, I know you represent your crew, but I've worked on your scheming, honestly, somebody's yet to mention you. Too true, I'm a nuclei, I'm a crew, the eye in the sky, high above volition HQ. Loki take two, don't act at safe strength, stay on your back with only aliens can transmit on my wavelength. I don't make threats, I flash you promises of astronomically. Apparently I agitate the novices like that's my problem, geeks. I'm just doing my thing, mixtape sound, mate, as well, just like my fucking nuts hang. Just plain open scars, fillet my bogey cars, I make a joke of farce away and comb your ass, I'm aiming for the stars.
A word.
Oh Lord, boy.